Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Last time also, I believe you guys have received this card only. Okay, so we have 8 of Cups. Libra, you are feeling not worthy. Okay, you feel that nothing is there for you in this life or in this world. Okay, you feel that at the end of the day, no matter how hard you try to put things, in a order, but at the end of the day, everything, just messed up. And every time you feel detachment or hurt from the people who are around you. Okay, no matter how hard you try to keep them happy, but at the end of the day they make you feel, they hurt you intentionally, unintentionally. They don't even know about it, but yes, somewhere somehow their actions, their their discussions, their conversations makes you feel bad. Okay, their conversations hurt you. And with regards to the relationship thing, it seems like you are kind of done with this love or with this relationship. It seems like you have given up on this relationship, you have given up on your current partner, that I cannot stretch beyond this point and I'm just moving out. On the other hand, we have Hermit card. This is your partner's current energy, Libra. It shows that your person is into some self-analyzing mode. Okay, they are not able to understand where they should go. They are completely calm. They are completely silent at this point of time. They are not talking to you. There is no communication in this relationship, and it seems like they feel that they are surrounded by a lot of darkness, but still they have this little ray of hope in their life that okay, whatever the case or whatever the situation it is, this will also end. I am also going to experience the bright day. Okay, it shows that your person must be going through some tough time and negative time in their life, but yes, somewhere somehow they are being very, very optimistic. They are if this card tells me that this person or your person, Libra, is not taking their actions in any hustle bustle. They take their own time. They are taking their own time. They are thinking a lot. They are observing things. They are observing their actions. They are observing other people's actions and behaviors. And once the sun will rise for them, once they'll get some clarity in life, they are definitely going to take actions accordingly. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between Libra and their person. What is the mutual energy between Libra and their person? Courage. Oh, rebirth. Okay, so with this card courage, it seems like both of you are trying hard to cope up with your situation with full dignity and full respect. Okay, even though you have faced, both of you have faced some negative things in life, some negative energies in life, but at the end of the day, somewhere somehow you have that power, that you have that willing to be out from that particular situation. This is the reason you have moved out from this thing. This could be your current partner, Libra. Okay, or this could be the people around you who had made you feel worthless. All right, and on the other hand, your person is being also very optimistic that no matter how hard the situation is right now, I'll be out from this situation. Okay, so this courage card shows that both of you have that zeal, both of you have that enthusiasm to move beyond the clouds. Okay, to fly above the clouds. All right, the other card, rebirth, tells me that initially both of you were very naive, very immature in behavior or in this particular relationship. Then both of you became aggressive in this relationship, that it's okay if this person does not want to talk to me, I am also, not interested in talking to them. But eventually, after evolving from a knife to a warrior, to a person who loves peace, okay, so a rebirth cycle is happening for both of you. Initially there was a lot of resistance in this relationship, then both of you tried to cope up with each other, both of you tried to make other person understand that why this relationship, uh, why you are important for them, okay. But and at that point of time you must have a lot of arguments, okay. But after some time both of you have understood the concept that it's okay if the other person is not understanding what I'm saying, what I'm going through. It's completely okay. It's completely okay. I need to focus on my peace, I need to focus on my things, I need to focus on my situations. All right, now let's see, Libra, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. So first card is Harmony. It tells that your person sees you as somebody who is in more peace, who is in more harmony or state of mind, okay. Because when you feel hurt, when you feel worthless, you moved out from that particular energy, be it your current partner, be it your loved ones, all right. So that thing has bring harmony in your life, that thing has bring harmony in your life. Your heart chakra and your third eye chakra has opened now. You have got the clarity in life that everything happens for a reason, okay. Whatever happens, we cannot change it, okay. So that's how your person sees you, Libra, that you are someone who is being very calm, who is understanding the essence of life, who is understanding the reason of life, all right. Okay, so with this postponement card, it seems like the current action from your partner is that they are postponing their certain things from their end. It seems like they want to talk to you, but they try, I mean, they deliberately postpone it. Okay, if I have to talk to my Libra, no, I should not talk to him right now. I can't talk to them right now. Let me just call them on next Sunday, or not, or next weekend, or by next week, or by next month, or by next year, or by tomorrow, or something. So it seems like your person wants to talk to you, they want to be with you, but yes, somewhere somehow they are holding back their emotion, and they are just postponing things. They want to talk to you, they want to confront their emotions with you, but there is some energies are going around them which are pulling them back, all right. So this is the reason they are postponing things and not taking action towards you. The good news is that in future they'll be getting a new vision in life, okay. They'll be understanding the meaning of the world, how world works, okay. And this new vision card shows me that eventually in future they'll be going to break all their old patterns and old belief systems, and they'll be coming towards you with something new, okay. Because they'll be gaining some new visions in life, some new vision towards you, some new visions towards this relationship. So I can see that they are coming towards you in future to talk to you with a completely a new perspective, all right. Okay, so Libra, it seems like some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with Virgo as well, okay. So Libra people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.